In this video, I will quickly show you how to participate in our trading contests. Once logged into your trader dashboard, click the Contest button. Here, you will see any contest currently open. On the left, you will see the contest name, and to the right, you can see the registration period, the contest period, and the Participate button. In the contest name, you will see important details about the contest. As you can see here, I must place exactly $100 into my contest account to be eligible to participate, and the top 3 traders that grow their account most will receive $1,000. The registration started this morning and ends on the 18th. This means I have from now until the 18th to participate and transfer exactly $100 to my contest account, or I will not be eligible to participate. Here, you can see the contest runs from the 19th through the 24th. I will not be able to trade the account before the 19th, and I will not be able to trade the account after the 24th. The winners will be announced on the 27th. To participate, I will click the Participate button, and this will automatically create my contest trading account. My login details are shown here, and I must take note of these so I can log in to MetaTrader. Now I must transfer funds to my trading account before the registration ends on the 18th. I will click the Funds tab and select Transfer Funds. I will select the wallet or account I wish to transfer funds from, and then I will select my contest account to transfer funds into. Notice, if I try to transfer less than $100, it does not allow me, nor if I try to transfer more than $100. Once I transfer the funds into my contest account, I am now ready to begin trading for my chance to win $1,000 once the contest begins on the 19th. If I would like to view the leaderboard, I will select the Contest tab again, and then click the name of the contest in blue. This will show me the competitors and also my account, along with everyone's growth on their account and what place they currently are in the challenge. Each contest can only have 50 participants, and as you can see, we already have quite a few, so don't miss your chance to win $1,000. Thanks for watching.